morning, good morning, good morning. We are going to do some stretching today. I moved the bells behind me because I heard yesterday a couple of people said it was too loud. I just wanted you to listen to them. So today, grab your pillow, okay? We are going to do some core and lower back stretching. All right, so what I want you to do is get in a comfortable position and put the pillow under the sacrum of your back, like where your butt bone is. You got what I'm saying? So let's start here. Move down a little bit. And give your back some support and your legs some support. And we're going to start with our legs in a waterfall pose. And breathe. Fill your belly up with air and blow it out. Know that you don't have to be anywhere else doing anything else right at this time. You are allowed to just be here. Then what I like to do is I like to bring my legs down slow. Just till they get to the floor and then bring them back up. Just get your core activated early. Stretch that core and you're going to get a nice lower back stretch in this part of your back. Now with the pillow under your back, grab the back of your legs and bring your head up. Maybe you rock back and forth a little bit. Just to get your lower back stretched out. Stretch your ankles. Wiggle your toes. Walk all the way down with your legs. And then walk all the way back up. Reverse. Walk down backwards. Walk all the way back up. I'm going to move this over and roll up. Now I am going to take this and support my forehead because since it's this early, I doubt very highly that I'm going to be able to get into a child's pose. I just got up. My back's not very stretched out yet. Okay, so what I want to do is I'm going to get a couple cats. And I'm just going to bring my forehead down first. I probably could get it to the floor. And put my hands, and stretch my back. Bringing myself up to another cat, another cow. Now I'm going to push back almost like a puppy pose and not take my head to the floor. I want to get some activation and some stretching in my lats, my shoulders, my arms, and push as far as I can. Oh. I'm going to come up and I'm going to get into my plank position. And then I'm just going to almost like pike my back up a few times. And you could feel that all in your upper core. I'm going to come back down to my table, touch my 2 toes, and I'm going to put my forearms on the pillow just to get an even deeper back stretch. Maybe you clasp your hands together and put them behind your neck. Feel the tension doing that puts into your triceps. My left one is extremely tight, and I'm just stretching that one out. Breathing in through nose, out through mouth. Not thinking about anything I have to do today, just thinking about how my body feels. Bringing myself up, curling my toes under, going into my first down dog, looking through my thighs, pedaling out. Dropping my heels just to get a little bit of a better hamstring stretch. Walking myself all the way up. Forward fold, halfway up a few times to touch my toes. And that's really it for today. Like, if you legitimately concentrate on doing that type of stuff every single day, you're going to feel so much better. Oh, that feels good. Okay? You are going to be ready to go and not have to worry about injury. Okay? So try these things. Tell me in the comments what felt good, what didn't feel good. Most of what I'm putting up here is extremely simple. Okay? Have the best morning.